In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete or merge sections in Google Forms. If you're looking to streamline your Google form for a cleaner look or to remove unnecessary sections, stay with me as we go through these simple yet effective steps together. The process is straightforward, and with a few clicks, you'll have your form looking just the way you want. First, let's talk about navigating to your Google form. Open your web browser and head over to Google Forms. If you haven't created a form yet, select a template or start a new form. But if you have a form ready that needs editing, simply open that one. Once you're in your form, take a moment to look over your sections. This will give you a clear view of which sections you want to modify. Now, let's say you decide a particular section is redundant and you want to delete it. Hover over the section you wish to remove. You'll notice 3 small dots appear. This is your More Options menu. Click on these dots and select Delete Section. A quick tip here. Once you delete a section, all questions and responses within it will also be lost, so make sure this is a section you no longer need. Next, if you find 2 sections that cover similar content and it makes sense to consolidate them, you can easily merge sections. Start by copying the questions from the section you want to merge. Hover over the question, click on the 3 dots, and select Copy. Then, navigate to the section where you aim to consolidate the content and paste the question. Once you've transferred all the necessary questions, follow the previous steps to delete the now empty section. Understanding the flow of your form is important. Merging helps keep related questions together, making it easier for respondents and useful if you plan on analyzing the data later. Aim to have your questions ordered in a logical and thematic way. Respondents tend to appreciate forms that are concise and relevant. A pro tip: consider previewing your form after making significant changes. By doing so, you can see exactly how it will appear to your respondents and make any further adjustments needed to enhance clarity and engagement. Simply click on the eye icon at the top of your form to preview. If you find yourself needing to undo any changes, don't panic. Google Forms automatically saves a version history of your work. You can use this feature to revert to previous versions of your form if you ever need to retrace your steps. Hopefully, you found these steps on how to delete or merge sections in Google Forms to be helpful. With some practice, you can master these features and customize your forms with precision and ease. Thank you for watching, and I hope this has made your Google Form experience a bit smoother. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.